that as all of you know that I will have 5 pages. So as all of you know, in this the other pages, all of them will have same header and same footer. So for that, what I will do before I work with the container, I will make 5 copies, so that I will use in other I can use for other pages, so I don't need to work with the container again. So for that, before I doing this, I need to give the links. As you can see, there is no links now. So okay, here you can see in the UL, in the UL, there is home, and I have no link given, is any link is not given there. So first let li, inside the li I will take attack and href, as all of you know that index.html file. The attack or href is used for normally for reference, so it will be home. For home page, it is index.html is the home page which I made so far, and I will copy it and paste it for 3 times more. So another one is for about, and then let's say contact, and then login. So I'll copy it and paste it here. So if I save it, so now you can see there is little issues. So as I gave the link, so that's why it is become color is become blue, and there is a line below below. So as I used attack, that's why the color is changed and there is a line bottom of the text. So what I need to do, I need to work with some CSS as well, so that as all of you know that I have new I have a navbar UL and navbar UL. So I need to that's okay. After that, I can take navbar UL, then li, then a, right? So in this section, what I will do, I will make a text decoration to be none, okay, and color, let's say white. If I save it now and go to the browser, let's see, now you can see now it's like it's okay for now. Now another thing, I also need to work with the mobile view. Okay, so same thing, I will copy it and paste it. You can paste it anywhere, but I want to keep some track, that's why. Okay, after that I am pasting it, and all of you know that navbar m. So now if I go to the browser, click, now you can see now the problem is fixed. Now there is nothing called everyone is sorry, I need to work with the link. Okay, later I will work with that. So far so good. So now what I will do, I will make so before I do that, I will make another 4 pages. So before I do that, I need to modify something else. So as all of you know that I have written all of them index, so that should not be like this. So first it will be about. So I will make about.html file, then let's say contact.html file, and login.html file later. Let me copy it, paste it here. Okay, now I think I am done with this. Now what I will do, I will just go to my here you can see index file. Okay, as I saved it, right? So here you can see let's go to the directory, and here you see index.html. What I will do, I will copy it and paste it again. One is for about, one is for let's say contact, and another one is for what to say, for login, and another one for registration. Okay, now I have other pages, so let me rename it first. So it is about.html, then let's say contact.html, then contact, then login.html, then finally register.html. Let's okay, just for now. Okay, if I refresh it, and now all of you can see, so both all the pages have same content. So that's so after making this all pages, so let me show you, let me give some text here. So let me open all of them with my text editor. Okay, here you can see about, right? So in the container I will write, let's say for now, about myself. Okay, let me save it and go to contact, then again go to container, let me contact form, contact me. Okay, let's save it and go to login. Okay, login. Now if I save it and go to the browser, okay, now you can see that this is my home page, and if I go to my about, so you can see about myself, so it is another page. If I go to contact, then contact me is another page, and login, it's another page. So now all of you can see that now I have five pages at least. Okay, now in the next video I will work with my landing page. I will give bring image and with some name and some other information. So thank you.